every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to the 297th day of my challenge, where I'm currently a little bit sick. And by a little bit, I mean I really want something sweet to feel better, and today's recipe falls right into that category. I'm gonna try a quick chocolate pudding. Was that? Yeah, quick chocolate pudding recipe. If this works out, I'll be very happy because it seems that it will be really quick, really easy, and I'll have something really tasty in the very end. So, if you're curious to see how it goes trying this recipe out for the very first time, then keep on watching. We're gonna need half a cup of heavy cream, 10 grams of marshmallows, and 80 grams of chocolate chips. And for serving, we're gonna need some fresh berries, powdered sugar, and a chocolate bar for some chocolate curls. I'll start by adding my heavy cream and the marshmallows to a small saucepan, and then over medium heat I'm gonna let everything to heat up just enough for the marshmallows to melt. Okay, this seems perfect. Heat off. My marshmallows fully melted and incorporated into the heavy cream. So with the heat off, I'm gonna add my chocolate chips and just whisk until they incorporate into the mixture as well. Look at this. This looks like exactly what I need for today. So now you have a little choice to make. Very little, might I add, whether to share it with someone or not. So you can either put it into one glass cup or split it in two. I'm sick, not sharing it with anyone today. So I'm gonna add it to my glass cup and then put it into the fridge for 20 minutes to cool down and set. And while my pudding is setting, which has just a couple minutes left, I thought I'll prepare the berries and the chocolate curls. As for the berries, I'm using strawberries. As you can see, I'll just chop them up into 3 or 4 pieces, just to make them bite-sized pieces, nothing fancy. As for the chocolate curls though, this is the fun part. You want to hold the chocolate close to you, take a huge knife, and then just in one swooping motion like so, just move the knife towards yourself and chocolate curls will be born, and that's it. I'm so happy it worked out. Okay, first it took me about an hour for the pudding to set. This is not the first time when I'm wondering just how strong of a fridge Laura has, because her fridge cools down and freezes or whatever things so quickly. So I was a bit worried when I started putting these strawberries, oh my god, I was thinking that they will sink in, especially because Laura used raspberries, but there are no raspberries now where I am, and chocolate and strawberries go very well together. So let's try. This is not as set as I would like it to be, and I have a feeling why actually. This is so good though. Nevertheless, this is sort of like thick hot chocolate, which we have in Lithuania, just cold, if that makes any sense. This is so tasty. Okay, I know I will be covered in chocolate in this video. And one sec, needed to go and find the napkin. So anyways, one thing about the thickness, I guess, of this pudding is that I think there's something wrong in the written recipe. I was like Inspector Gadget when I was watching Laura's video, and I kid you not, took those 2 marshmallows and cut them up into mini marshmallows, and I compared with what Laura used, and she for sure uses more than 1/4 cup, for sure. I counted, okay? So next time I make this, I'll use double the amount, and then this will be way thicker. Now it's like perfect consistency for that thick hot chocolate. Taste is amazing, by the way. Nothing wrong with the consistency. I mean, it's still thick as you can see, but it can be thicker. Oh no, I took it again. Now I'll be again with the chocolate. This, I know, will make me feel way better. This looks really cool. I am a proof that you can make this even when you're sick. I mean, I have temperature, but I really wanted something like this, so I thought it's perfect. So anyways, this is how Laura's quick pudding looks like. This is mine. I'm very pleased with it. I have a bag of marshmallows. I still have these chocolate chips. I have heavy cream. I'm making this again. I will make it thicker, and maybe next time I'll even share it with my husband. So thank you so much for watching. If you want, you can find the written recipe of this cute little thing in the description box down below. If you want, you can check Laura's video there. The link is there. And that's it. I'll just go hug this and ask for it to make me feel better. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!